Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to show you how I solve the question tutorial 2 question 5. This question it involve the Newmark chart and Fadum chart. Alright, this is the question. The figure 1 it show the layout of two foundation, and for A it want we to calculate the increase in vertical stress under point P at depth 4 meter by using Newmark chart, and B it want we to determine the vertical stress under point A at depth 8 meter by using Fadum chart. Alright, it gives a foundation A 150 kN per meter square and foundation B 200 kN per meter square. Okay, to solve this question, we need Newmark chart and Fadum chart. Okay, now we want to solve the question A. So, we take the ruler and then we measure the scale. So, from A to B, we get it 3 cm. So, we write this at here, 3 cm. Alright, from the Newmark chart, we know A to B equal to 3 cm. At the question, we know A to B is equal to 4 meter. So, at here, we know the 3 cm equal to 4 meter. So, now, we back to the question. So, here, 4 meter is equal to 3 cm. And for 2 meter, it 1.5 cm. And for 6 meter, it will be 4.5 cm. And for 8 meter, it will become to 6 cm. Alright, so now we can sketch the foundation B at the Newmark chart. So the unit centimeter that we get, we will use in this. So we use the ruler and then we see at the question. So we get it 4.5. So we measure it and we take it, and then we measure 3 centimeter. Here, so we take it. Alright, this is the foundation B that I get. So back to the question, it want we to calculate vertical stress, right? So in this foundation B, we calculate the square in this, and then when it not enough, we will count it and with the other like this, and we'll top up it to make it 1. So the total that I get from this is I get it 100 square. Okay, so for the square we get 100, and I will multiply with 0.002, and I also multiply with 200. How we can get it? This we see it in Newmark chart. Alright, so we calculate it. So the total that I get is 40 kilonewton per meter square. Alright, so now we move to question B. At question B, it want we to determine the vertical stress under point A. So point A at foundation A. So first of all, we draw the table, and then this is for load, and then this is for L, and then it's for B, Z, B over Z, L over Z, this is for I, and then this is for vertical stress. So for foundation A, we know it is, the load is 150 kilonewton per meter square, so we write in this. So L, we know it is 8, B 4, Z is 8. So for this, B over Z, so B over Z, we will get it 0.5, and L over Z, 8 divided by 8, so we get it 1.0. And And for the influence factor, we get it from Fadum chart because the question is one with using the Fadum chart. Okay, this is our Fadum chart. So, from the table, we know the RZ that we calculate is 1. So, 1 here. And then for the B over Z, we know is 0.5. So, it is here. So, 1, 5. So, point at here. So, and then we make it line. So, this is the line that I get. So, it will here. So, at here, we can assume it. So, from there, I assume 0.122. Alright, now we back to the table. So, the influence factor that we get from Fadum chart, we write it is 0.122. And then for vertical stress, how we want to get it? So, vertical stress equal to influence factor multiplied with load. So, influence factor that we get from here is 0.122. So, this is load. So, the load that we get is 150. So, the total that I get is 80.30 kilonewton per meter square. We get, so we write in this 80.30. So, this is a full the answer that we get. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.